Good morning, happy Monday for everybody. Today, follow me as a professional TV mountain. First stop, Home Depot. Spend some money. Alright, we are on second stop, customer house. And get ready, picking up my stuff. Hello, people. Well, this is, you guys can see, this is the wall, and I'm checking everything, the TV. Everything is work fine, and you guys can see, and this is the final result. This is a beautiful installation, and this is the second TV, and this wall actually give me like a extra work because I have to pick it up electricity from another source because the plug was far away. But yeah, everything is perfect, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.